Everyone told you that if you want to hunt heavy game with lead and take stealthy shots with broadheads, you need to buy two completely different weapon systems. They told you to drop a fortune on a compound bow and a separate big bore rifle. Here is why they are dead wrong. The industry wants you buying double the gear, but a quiet revolution just happened. We are talking about Tier 1 platforms engineered with the internal tolerances to spit massive lead slugs and seamlessly transition to launching carbon fiber arrows fast enough to shatter bone. These are the top 5 dual ammunition air rifles on the market. And trust me, you are not ready for the kinetic destruction of number 1. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Seneca double-shot 50 caliber. The trigger snaps like a heavy staple gun, and the firing sound is a deep, resonating thump that echoes through the trees. This is a side-by-side pneumatic hybrid. It utilizes a brilliant patent-pending air distributor valve. Instead of a complex dual-hammer setup, it relies on a single massive strike. When you twist the tactile barrel selector dial on top, the internal transfer port physically reroutes the high-pressure air pathway to the second barrel. That means you get a full-power follow-up shot in under 2 seconds without reloading. With the chokes removed, those twin smoothbores push pure lead round balls at 600 feet per second. Drop in an Air Venturi air bolt, and it throws broadheads at 425 feet per second, delivering over 170 foot-pounds of energy. But here is the catch. Dragging this rig through the woods is a serious workout. At 8.5 pounds and 43 inches long, the ergonomics feel like you are carrying a piece of field artillery, not a nimble hunting rifle. This double-barrel setup is incredibly versatile, but wait until you see the sheer kinetic devastation we have sitting at number 1. Stepping up the power, we look at number 4. The Seneca Dragon Claw 250 caliber. The trigger breaks like a heavy glass rod snapping, and the muzzle report is a massive concussive boom that rattles your chest. Do not let the classic Monte Carlo hardwood stock fool you. This is a rugged, single-shot workhorse. It utilizes a completely unregulated valve system paired with a dual-stage cocking mechanism. By physically changing the length of the hammer stroke, you control the valve dwell time. Rack the bolt halfway, and you get lower power to conserve air. Pull it all the way back, and you unleash maximum hammer spring tension, blasting the valve wide open for peak kinetic energy. It throws 50 cal lead slugs downrange, hitting over 230 foot-pounds. Load an Air Venturi air bolt into that rifled steel barrel, and it becomes a lethal archery rig running on a low-stress 3000 psi fill. But here's the truth. The air performance quirk is real because there is no internal regulator. This gun suffers from a steep shot curve. Your velocity drops significantly with every single shot, meaning you have to constantly memorize your holdovers as the cylinder pressure drains. Entering the elite tier, we are looking at number 3. The FX Impact M4 equipped with the Aero Barrel Kit. The quick-set trigger snaps like a fragile icicle, and the firing sound is a sharp, suppressed pneumatic whip crack. Designed in Sweden, this platform does not rely on brute force. It relies on microscopic precision. The mechanic insight here is the massive 75 cubic centimeters power plenum paired with the brass piston AMP Mark II regulator. Instead of dumping raw air, the regulator meters the exact same volume of air into the plenum for every single shot, completely eradicating the shot curve. Natively, it throws 30 cal or 35 cal slugs with surgical accuracy. But loosen a few set screws, remove the rifled liner, and install the hollow stainless steel spigot. Because you have full external tuning, you can dial the regulator pressure down to 40 or 60 bar, pushing proprietary carbon arrows with perfect stability. But here's the deal breaker. The damage to your wallet is absolutely brutal. By the time you buy the base rifle and the required arrow barrel kit, the financial investment is astronomical. Closer to the crown, we have number 2, the AirForce Texan Carbine 457. The trigger snaps like a dry branch under a boot, and the firing sound is a muted, heavy thud. Looking at the airflow, this inline design routes high pressure directly from the carbon fiber tank straight into the breech with 0 right-angle turns, severely reducing fluid turbulence. But the real mechanic insight is the bias port system. You physically swap out internal orifice screws to precisely restrict or open the internal airflow. Utilizing a smaller screw lets you dial back to a softer pressure curve, launching carbon arrows without blowing out the carbon shafts. Spitting 457 caliber slugs, it yields over 900 foot-pounds of kinetic energy. Alternatively, slide an Air Venturi air bolt down the Lothar Walther match-grade barrel, and it launches them at over 500 feet per second. Honestly, the aesthetics and build are aggressively bare bones. The hyper-minimalist design leaves the carbon tank entirely exposed as your cheek rest. Without a protective chassis covering the rear, one bad drop on sharp rocks could seriously gouge your primary pressure vessel. The guns on this list have offered incredible versatility, from the rapid follow-up of the double shot to the surgical tuning of the M4. But when you need uncompromising, unadulterated kinetic destruction out in the real world, you need a completely different tier of engineering. Number 1 is the Western Airguns Bushbuck 45 Carbine. The trigger breaks like a heavy steel vault latch sliding open, and the firing report is an absolute thunderclap of expanding atmosphere. Milled from a solid billet of aerospace-grade aluminum, this is pure American brute force. It features a brilliant dual power transfer port system. Instead of relying on fragile external regulators, it utilizes a mechanical selector that physically alters the internal airflow pathways. Flip it to the high setting, and you dump a massive volume of air from the cylinder to generate a verified 600 foot-pounds of energy. This absolute monster gives you the devastating big-bore kinetic energy of the AirForce Texan Carbine 457, but is bedded in a rugged, weather-resistant laminate stock that completely puts the exposed carbon tank aesthetic of the Texan to shame. Furthermore, it gives you the raw reliability of the Seneca Dragon Claw 2, but adds that dual power selector to instantly drop the output down to 400 foot-pounds. That means you can seamlessly load 45 caliber Sabot arrows and launch them with lethal archery precision without blowing out the shafts. Spitting heavy lead slugs or driving broadheads, it is the undisputed king. The dual ammunition revolution is not just a marketing gimmick. It is the future of versatile off-grid hunting. You no longer have to compromise between the hydrostatic shock of a heavy lead slug and the silent hemorrhaging trauma of a carbon fiber air bolt. Whether you are running a fast follow-up hybrid or a precision machine powerhouse, these platforms give you the ultimate tactical advantage in the field. Pick the system that matches your mission, master its ballistics, and do not look back. Watch your windage. I am out.